Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you use Afterpay on Cash App. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Now from here, of course, open the Cash App application and make sure you are logged into your Cash App account. Now you need to tap on the search icon that should be in the bottom right side of the screen right here. You will be taken to this screen. Now you can go ahead and use the search feature in the top and simply search for Afterpay, and if you're one of the lucky users, you will find Afterpay right here and you can use it on Cash App. Now if not, you can just wait and keep your app updated because it will reach your account eventually, because once you go to their official website, you can see guys that Afterpay is actually coming to Cash App, and every Cash App user will basically be entertained in this feature right here. They can be using it in the future. So what you can do now, if you get this screen where you cannot find Afterpay, you just need to wait for it to reach your account, which will happen very soon. And that is it basically for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.